Mankind, the hunter-gatherer. Proteins, grains, leafy plants. The robust diet of our earliest ancestors provided a remarkably diverse assortment of nutritional content. Forced to travel long distances searching for food, early man was presented naturally with the dietary requirements nutritionists recommend today, as well. Today, we no longer hunt very far for food. It's every place. And far too often, this accessibility comes at a cost: poor nutritional quality. The fact is, what you eat affects your health. To function properly, our bodies require vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds, all sadly lacking in today's super-paced drive-up window convenience lifestyle. Stress and a hectic way of life are badges of honor in the workplace, but the result can lead to a costly, poor state of health. Obviously, this isn't news. Television, magazines, and your doctor have warned you for years. But what can you do about it? Many nutritional specialists recommend supplementation. Chances are you're taking a multivitamin or even a handful of vitamin supplements. Even so, research has shown to fend off or even cope with the onslaught of nutritional shortages, environmental pollutants, stress, and even aging, one vital nutrient is missing from nearly everyone's diet. What is it? A remarkable biomolecule called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green matter in plants formed during photosynthesis. It derives energy from the sun and performs various life-promoting functions for plants, and studies show for humans as well. Backed by the 1915 Nobel Prize, chlorophyll naturally contains important vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients that can greatly impact and enhance your life.
As Vice President of Health Sciences, my primary responsibility with the company is to ensure the safety and efficacy of the products that we sell. And that's the reason why it's so easy for me to talk to you about Synergy's chlorophyll. This product is absolutely safe and is definitely beneficial. Chlorophyll has been known for a long time to deodorize the body and detoxify the body. It's definitely supportive to the gastrointestinal tract, and with this product, the peppermint flavor makes it truly refreshing to drink. The green coloration of this product is due to the pigment called chlorophyllin, and we obtain our chlorophyllin from alfalfa and mulberry leaves. Chlorophyllin is truly amazing in that it's been shown to be an antioxidant. In other words, it neutralizes free radicals that can possibly harm your body. It acts as an antiseptic, which means it will neutralize any microbes that could possibly harm your body. It also acts as a breath freshener, and it has been shown to reduce colic, nausea, and indigestion.
Expanding on this research, Synergy Worldwide has pioneered liquid chlorophyll, the finest chlorophyll supplement in the world. How can we say this? Simply put, efficacious research, stringent testing, and rigorous quality control ensure the uncompromised superiority of Synergy liquid chlorophyll.
Synergy chlorophyll is the best in the world. That is because quality is built into the entire process, from where the botanicals are grown, through the harvesting, cleaning, processing, packaging, and finally the testing in our world-class quality control labs. We work very closely with our suppliers to ensure that the ingredient is free of all contamination and also contains all the actives that make it beneficial. But we don't take their word for it. We test each lot of every raw material to assure that it does meet our highest quality standards. Synergy's liquid chlorophyll, I 100% guarantee it is the best chlorophyll product on the market.
Synergy Worldwide's liquid chlorophyll is a carefully formulated extraction requiring more than 15 technical procedures that assure the critical life-giving functions of liquid chlorophyll remain intact. Taken easily with water, Synergy Worldwide's liquid chlorophyll has been shown to provide remarkable benefits that can provide the edge you need to thrive in today's challenging world, such as help promote natural blood cleansing function and increase the number of your red blood cells in your body, strengthen cells by improving blood circulation and improve oxygen delivery system, promotes a strong immune system, and helps to detoxify the body.
We really enjoy taking Synergy's chlorophyll. We have found that it is the highest quality. Since taking it, I've noticed I have more energy, I sleep better, and it makes me feel good to take this product because I know I'm protecting myself from toxicities in the environment.
I'm busy, I've got work, I'm on these different sports teams, and the hardest thing for me is to get that 5 to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. I love Synergy's chlorophyll because I can take that and know I'm getting that nutrients. I take that once, I'm done for the day.
Synergy's chlorophyll is an amazing product. There are so many health benefits to it, and as a full-time student and I work full-time, I feel well rested and I have way better mental clarity when I take my tests or when I have certain exams. All around, it really has just been a great product for me.
Synergy's liquid chlorophyll exploits a proprietary formula enhanced with specific ingredients designed to maximize the tremendous benefits related to chlorophyll. Early mankind thrived in a natural environment overflowing with green, leafy, life-giving foods and experienced the benefits of chlorophyll without ever knowing it. But today, unless you have liquid chlorophyll in your life, chances are you are not. Make the change now. Liquid chlorophyll, only from Synergy Worldwide.